We have already understood the scale change gives a huge jump in standard deviation. That's why standard deviation alone is not sufficient, and standard deviation by mean gives you a relative measure that how much it is changing in comparison of average, and that's a comparable figure. And we have shown you here that here you are having much more variance because you can potentially lose 400 rupees here, whereas you can lose only 111 rupee here for the almost similar investment, because you can buy 300 of such shares which is costing you roughly 10 rupees. Now it's a matter of calculating coefficient of variance in SAS to figure out which is varying more, which petal length or petal width. To access data in SAS, you have libraries, and within that you have SAS help libraries. SAS help library contains lots of data set. In fact, lots of data set. If you had, here one more thing I want to let you know. If you had data in your local machine, let's say Irish data set, what you could have done, you could have defined it like this. And if this PC was a PC SAS or any local machine, and then you could have run, let's say if you had stored SAS dataset in this particular location, you could have just run it like this. Data check set my path, which is the location of this library, and then it would have gone and accessed the store SAS dataset, and it created the check dataset in the work library. We don't need to define path when it is in SAS help, because SAS, when it opens, it by default defines the SAS help to this library. So this dataset Iris, which is available here in SAS dataset, SAS help library, you don't need to create a library. You can simply use it. So I'm going to use proc means data equal to SAS help.iris, which means access Irish dataset which is available in SAS help, calculate mean, standard deviation, and coefficient of variance. Class species these two variables, petal length and petal width. Let me run it. So you got the output. Now it has come in this vertical format, but if you take a look, every time for petal length, the coefficient of variance 11, petal width 42, petal length 11, petal width 14, petal length 9, petal width 13.